Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today's lesson is a grammar lesson. The title of our lesson is Quoted and Reported Speech. Our objective for this part of the lesson is to change sentences from quoted to reported speech and vice versa.
The first thing that comes to mind though is why do we have to study quoted and reported speech? I mean, what's the point of that? Well, sometimes we have to give information about what people say or think. In order to do this, we can use both direct or quoted speech or indirect or reported speech. For instance, sometimes you report what your teachers say in class to your parents at home. You also report what your friends tell you to other friends. On the news as well, reporters report what famous people say, what a prime minister says, or even the president. Sometimes they also include what that person said word for word on the screen using quotation marks. Take a look at this example. I will call you tomorrow. Khalid tells Sarah on Friday night. This is quoted or direct speech. That's what Khalid exactly told Sarah. The following Tuesday, Sarah calls her friend and tells her, he said that he would call me the next day. This is indirect speech or reported speech. Sarah is reporting what Khalid mentioned Friday night. Let's see the differences now between quoted and reported speech. Direct speech, first of all, or quoted speech, includes saying exactly what someone has said. And here, what that person says appears within quotation marks, and it should be word for word. You cannot change what that person said. It's their words. You cannot say them in your own language. For example, she said today's lesson is on presentations, or today's lesson is on presentations, she said. Do not forget the quotation marks. On the other hand, when we talk about indirect speech or reported speech, we do not use quotation marks, and we don't have to exactly use the same words of that person, so we can change. Therefore, when we talk about quoted speech, we use quotation marks and we use the exact same words of the person. In reported speech, we do not use quotation marks, and the words of the person do not have to be the same. They don't have to be the exact same words. Another difference is that when reporting what somebody has said, the tense usually changes. And this is because when we use reported speech, we're usually talking about a time in the past. I mean, when you report what somebody said, that person already spoke in the past. Therefore, the verbs have to be in the past too. Take a look at the example. A mother takes her son to the doctor. The doctor, after examining the son, says, "Your son will feel much better tomorrow, promise." This is direct speech or coded speech. That's what the doctor said word for word. The mother calls her husband to report what the doctor mentioned. "I'm really worried, but the doctor said that Jake would feel better tomorrow." So, she's not the one who said that Jake would feel better. That was what the doctor said. So, therefore, she's reporting what the doctor said. So far, we've seen the differences between coded and reported speech. Now, how do we change from quoted to reported speech? Well, several changes take place. First of all, the pronouns. If you take a look at the table, it shows you how each pronoun changes. For example, John said, "I enjoy reading books." If we want to report what John said, we do not say John said I. We say John said that he enjoyed reading books. Another example would be the students said we are studying at home. If we want to report what the students said, we say the students said that they were studying at home. Another change that takes place when changing from quoted to reported speech is the tense. As a rule, when we report something that somebody has said, we go back in time one tense. And the reason behind that is because that person spoke in the past. So when you report what a person said, the person already mentioned what they said in the past. Let's take a look at the table, which is going to show you how to change the tenses. The tense on the left changes to the tense on the right. This is the table that shows you how the tense changes from direct speech to reported speech. If you take a look, what's on the left is changed to what's on the right. I'm just going to repeat what I mentioned before. So we said that when we change from direct speech to reported speech, we go back in time one tense. We always move back one tense. Whatever is present is changed to past. So for instance, the simple present tense is changed to the simple past tense. For example, she always wears a coat. This is changed to he said that she always wore a coat. Notice how the word that is placed in brackets, which means that it's not necessary to be included. The present continuous is changed to the past continuous. For example, I'm looking for my keys. She said that she was looking for her keys. The present perfect is changed to the past perfect. For example, she has written 3 letters for her friend. In reported speech, he said that she had written 3 letters for her friend. The simple past is changed to the past perfect. My friend gave me a bar of chocolate. He said that his friend had given him a bar of chocolate. Will is changed to would. For instance, I will finish my report in 2 days. He said that he would finish his report in 2 days. Can is changed to could. I can speak English. She said that she could speak English. Notice that these are modal verbs and we just changed them to their past form. May, for instance, is also changed to might. Must is changed to had to, and have to is changed to had to. Other changes include time or place expressions. For example, now is changed to then in reported speech. Today is changed to that day. Tonight is changed to that night. Yesterday, the previous day. Or we can also say the day before. Last is changed to the previous. Tomorrow is changed to the following day. We can also say the next day. Here is changed to there. This or these is changed to that or those.
Application. Let's practice what we have learned. Let's change these sentences from quoted to reported speech. And if they are in reported speech, we change them to quoted. Number 1. It is too late to apologize, I said. This sentence is in the simple present tense, so it becomes I said that it was too late to apologize. We removed the quotation marks because we changed it to reported speech. Number 2. Peter claimed that he had written the report several times. This sentence is in reported speech form because we do not have quotation marks, and the tense is the past perfect. How do we change it? I have written the report several times, claimed Peter. So we changed he to I, and had written became have written, present perfect, and we included the quotation marks. Number 3. I met you yesterday, he told me. This is quoted speech, and the tense is simple past. So he told me that he had met me the day before or the previous day. So we removed the quotation marks, and we said he told me that he instead of I, and met became had met, which is the past perfect tense, and yesterday was changed to the day before, or it can be the previous day. And the last one, number 4, Mary explained that she could not come to my birthday party. This sentence is in reported speech form, and the verb is could. So it becomes I cannot come to your birthday party, explained Mary. So we included the quotation marks, and could not became cannot. That's it for today. Do not forget to do your homework, which will be attached in a separate file along with this video.